Rising energy prices mean residents are looking for the most cost-efficient ways to heat their homes. The first step is upgrading the heat source. But to ensure the heating system performs in the most cost-efficient way, there's an element that's often overlooked. How can this be? Because an EU.back study shows that more than 85% of radiators have never been commissioned with the right flow. This means heated water flows through them so fast and audibly that it hardly has time to disperse the heat through the radiator. This use of heat is inefficient at the expense of the existing heat source's efficiency, but also has a greater impact on future energy sources such as a heat pump or district heating. Just replacing the heat source will not make the system function efficiently or contribute to an energy transition that creates value for residents or climate goals. The Energy Performance of Buildings Directive also states that everyone involved in installing such technologies needs to abide by the following. When replacing or installing radiators, they must be fitted with thermostatic radiator valves and a facility to adequately regulate the maximum water flow. Also, when the existing heat source is replaced, all radiators have to be equipped with self-acting thermostatic valves. According to the new calculation methods for determining energy labels, the best performance can be achieved when the existing radiator valves are replaced by those with a built-in differential pressure controller. This ensures that the optimum amount of water is always regulated, regardless of pressure changes in the system. Residents can control the room temperature using the radiator thermostat, or opt for an electronic radiator thermostat with a time program for extra energy savings. What are the benefits of upgrading to thermostatic radiator valves? Limiting the maximum required water flow per radiator significantly reduces the water temperature in the return pipes. Less heat is lost during transport. Heat generators perform better, are more efficient, and have a longer time span. Thanks to the automatically regulated radiator thermostats, residents have control over room temperature. And the limited amount of water flow ensures that the room temperature remains stable, despite any changing circumstances. The installation and adjustment of thermostatic valves contribute to a better energy label. The new legislation and regulations contribute to the goal of providing residents with affordable heating without loss of comfort. And they guarantee a successful transition to new sustainable energy sources. Want to learn more? Go to homeowners.danfoss.com for homeowners, or go to installer.danfoss.com for installers.